Bridge Technologies will release an updated audio panel for their VB440 production probe. The enhancement offers comprehensive audio monitoring across unlimited flows, single-channel isolation, and compatibility with all Dolby standards, optimizing audio broadcasts in diverse production settings. So, Mary, tell me about this.
Well, this product is really useful for several different reasons. Number one, just from a practical standpoint, it gets rid of the need for multiple racks of equipment. So you've got a lot going on in a single piece of equipment. And rack space, face it, we are all running out of rack space. It seems like we can never get enough. So this helps solve that problem. But let's talk about what it really solves. By having this single channel isolation, here's a good example. You can use it to figure out what the problem is on one channel. And you can also make sure that the monitoring is correct. Now, you could say, well, okay, I could just do this by looking at all the metering. And the president of this company had a great point. Yeah, you could look at all the metering and say everything looks fine. But what you wouldn't notice if you weren't listening on a single channel is that, let's say, for example, you're sending out French language commentary instead of the English language commentary. You're never going to be able to do that just by looking at metering. It also offers LUFS, it offers room metering, so it's got a lot in that. So it solves a lot of problems. You could also have up to 8 users using this at a specific period of time. So again, it doesn't just have to be one person. This means that not only for your technical people, but your producer, anyone like that, could be listening just to make sure everything's okay. And believe me, I've been in plenty of situations. I like to think about this one where, oh my gosh, we were missing a whole channel of audio and in the wrong language, and we didn't know about it. So this would have solved my problem, and I'd probably have a lot less gray hair.
Yeah, I actually have a question. You know, on the video side where I live, it's pretty easy. You either have a picture, you don't have a picture. You can see what's going on. In the audio world, are there a lot of products like this that help from the analysis? I mean, like you said, just looking at meters would only tell you that there's sound. It doesn't tell you if the sound is good. I can look at a picture. I can tell if the picture is good. So, you know, what other products, or is this unique? Are there a lot of products in the industry like this?
I think these guys are in a pretty unique position. Now, there are other products that you could do single channel listening, but that's not what they're intended for. And to get to it, you have to go through a series of menus, and it doesn't always have the metering. So this combines two needs into one product. And I really haven't found anyone else who's doing what these guys are doing.
Okay, thanks.